What's going on, everyone? Got a 22 Mitsubishi Outlander. I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the emergency key that's at the bottom of it. You notice that it has a button right here, and we're going to slide this button to the right, and then we're going to pull the emergency key right out. Now if you look right here, there are some slots right here and right here, and we're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to pry on these slots. Okay, they're not very big, but I'm gonna go ahead and pry it like that. I got the screwdriver kind of at an angle like this. I'm just gonna pry the remote open. All right, just be careful not to damage anything. Now the back cover is where the battery is, okay? And we're gonna use a screwdriver, pop this guy out. Once we get it out, I grab the new battery and show you what size it is. So here is the new battery, and the size of it is going to be a CR2032. Okay, I'm going to leave a link in the description box. It takes you to Amazon where you can pick up a battery for like $1, so check it out if you need a battery. But we have the remote upside down. I'm going to stick the battery in. This is the positive side, the side with the writing. It's going to be facing down. I'm going to slide it in the side like that, flip the remote back over, and then put everything back together. Okay, start at the top, work our way down. Now if this guy goes back in and clicks in, we're all done. Hope the video helped you out, and if it did, appreciate it if you like and subscribe.